this till you're fucking on. Do this till you're fucking gone. Do this till you're fucking on. Do this till you're fucking gone. 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 You want the 3 valve and the 2 valve out here. I'll swing it in a bit. Alright guys, we got the 3 valve, about to swing it. Let's get it. Yeah. Today we will be doing a point of view drive of my 2001 Mustang GT. Also, we got a new exhaust, Jex X pipe, catless off-road X pipe with some Flowmaster 40 series. This thing rumbles pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It's honestly a really unique sound and I really enjoy hearing it, but I'm gonna let you guys hear it, you know. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so first things first, the rumble, I love it. It's like really nice. Also with what I noticed with the X pipe, once I install it, the car feels so much smoother and it just picks up so fast. And I don't know what to say, honestly. I'm just like really happy that I have my new exhaust because I've always wanted this exhaust. I did have a friend that had a black 2 valve with the same exhaust, and ever since I heard of that thing, man, I fell in love. But right here we got Pool Alley, about to swing a little one, you know. Oh, also you guys right here, the townships on it. Pretty smooth, I would tell you that, buddy. Alright guys, right here, let's get it. I'm gonna do a little second. Holy shit! This is my old job too, so I'm gonna cut that off. Alright guys, so just because I'm so nice, I'm gonna give you guys a first gear pull, you know. If it doesn't hook, it doesn't hook. You only live once, you know. And I'm gonna die in a Mustang. Nah. No, but I'm broke as fuck. I'm trying to become rich, so you guys should like this video, you know. Cause yeah. But let's get it, guys, right here, right here. Make sure there's no little bumps. Fuck, his suspension's low. Alright, we're set to go. Alright, let's get it. Oh, fuck! Oh my god, for a minute I thought I was going to die. Like, that thing swerved on me. Nah, that's already, that's enough for you guys. Like, straight up. And personally, guys, I wasn't uploading because I was just going through a lot getting this car running. The owner sold it to me with so many problems, man, that I was gonna give up on it at a point. But here we are, you know, cruising, doing pulls, and that's a third gear right there, so stay tuned. Last pull of the day, you know, I'm at a full tank. Don't want to bring it down, so let's get it. Let's go. Third gear just went forever, bro. That's on point. Jesus. Oh, there's a cop now. Honestly, why do people fear cops so much, bro? Like, you're just a cop. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching the video, you know, staying tuned. Support it, like it, you know, share it if you actually like it. Yeah, I should be uploading soon. There's a new part for my car coming up that I want to keep a secret, but you guys should find out pretty soon. But yeah, guys, peace out and stay tuned.